Getting into powder coating takes money, but should you budget more for your sandblasting equipment than you think? How important is CFM in relation to nozzle size? Before you go comparing yourself to the next guy, Jeff Taylor, our resident blasting expert, is back. In his third podcast with us, we're looking for the sweet spot to achieving the perfect air and cover the dangers of beryllium exposure. Plus, we're giving away Blast One's exclusive surface prep guide as a bonus to the first 10 followers who sign up to become an avid listener on the podcast. Get ready to level up your powder coater game.